How's it going, guys? I'm at BMW Northampton Motorrad and I'm going to be test riding a BMW S1000XR. And to be honest, first thing, it looks like an absolute fantastic looking bike. I don't know, my friends kept going on about I've got to get a test ride, so I'm going to give it a go and see how I get on with it. So it looks absolutely immense, an absolute beast of a bike. So I haven't been chain drive for like a very long time, but we'll give it a go. And so I love the TFT screen. Get it turned on and give it a ride. It sounds a lot different than I expected, but it does sound very nice. So I do love the LED lights and everything else. Something that's completely different than I'm actually used to. I mean, first thought, the seat is actually a lot harder than expected, but I think once I get used to it, I think it should be fine. I mean, the weight is actually a lot lighter than the Tiger. The mirrors are not too bad. Hey, watch it. Oh, that handled very well. So it's very nimble, very nimble. Now, apparently this one's a lot more docile than the older one, but I'm hoping this will give me the nice like free factor that I kind of like missing in power. But it's not bad. It's, you know, I can feel the wind a little bit. So I don't know sure about the mirrors. The mirrors feel a bit cheap, to be honest, but I handled very well around the corners. Here we go. This is the pit where I can open it up. Let's have a look to see what you're supposed to about. Yeah. Here we go. Ready? Whoa! Holy sh! This is quick! Whoa! Oh my god, it's just instant power! Oh! Oh my god! Bloody hell! That kind of like makes your heart in your mouth because it just... Oh! Well, if this is quick, then I imagine the other one's going to be much quicker. Oh god. Holy sh! Oh my god. Oh my god, this is power. Oh, I think, I don't know what it is, I'm addicted to the speed. Absolutely amazing. Oh, oh, bloody hell. Now, I've never actually used quick shifter before, but it's really good. It's smooth. You don't have to really touch the throttle that much. Just flick it up and down, and like it drops down gets pretty well. I mean, the touring screen wise, yeah, it's alright. I don't know why, but it feels a bit cheap. I don't know why. Like the mirrors, they're good, but there's a lot of vibration in them. And so, I mean, there's a lot of upgrades I would do to this sort of bike, but you say for money for bike, I don't know. It just feels a lot of money for bike, and you're thinking it just feels a bit cheap. I feel bad saying that, but I mean, it does change throttle really well, but is it really more sport than tourer? It's just that sort of, feels sort of that sort of bike that you probably could do a lot on it. If it's on the cruise control, reset button. Oh, there we go. So it's very nimble. It's, you know, you can proper like throw it side to side and everything else. I don't know, it just feels like an everyday sort of bike. You know, you can go to work to it, you probably can throw a few panniers on it and just, you know, enjoy it, but it's not bad. I mean, I love the TSS screen, you know, I love all that. This sort of bike would be perfect as like a second bike. Because I think fuel range, I think some people say you can probably 175 to 200s, and if you look at the rest, you probably get less than that. But there are a lot of upgrades for this bike, because I've seen online you can buy a bigger tank and it probably gives you an next 6 litres. But I don't know, I mean, I'm so used to having a lot of range, so might have to be me filling up twice a day. Well, I kind of want to bang it around corners, but I don't know what it is. Comparing to the Tiger, it still feels like it's missing something. It feels great. I mean, it's got the power to flick of the wrist, same as the Tiger, but there is a lot of vibration in it. The seat, it's alright. I mean, it does feel a bit hard on, like you proper squishing the old meat into veg, I'll call it. Like the first instant power, it's okay. You know, it's good. It's absolutely fantastic. You know, with that all bug experience. But maybe I'm just, I like my comforts. The rear brake though, I actually find it a little bit, feel like it's non-existent, so I'm pressing it. It handles really well. Right, so anyway guys, that is my sort of take on the BMW S1000XR. So there we go. It's just not a bad sort of bike. It's right. So it's got a lot of power. It's got a lot of, like, you can really bang it round corners. It's a good all-round sort of bike. You can probably do a bit of touring on it. You probably go back and forth to work on it. But it's alright. It's different. I say compared to my Tiger, it's got a bit more give. It's a bit more comfort. I say it is a good sort of all-round bike. But yeah, I mean, chain drive is a very responsive compared to my Bandit. This is a lot better machine. But I do find there's a lot of vibration in the steering. But you can proper bang it around corners and everything else. So anyway, like it, subscribe it, stay tuned for the next one.